po parang nagdalawa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's go!
Pwede po ba ulit?
Low.
Pakiulit.
Oh, ayan. At sabi nga nila, magre-rehearsal. Rehearsal pa po yun.
Low.
Yung minus one,
Rehearsal pa
dalawa,
yun.
naging
Oh,
dalawa
rehearsal
yung minus
take.
one.
Rehearsal take to.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, game.
Alright.
Game mo talaga.
Okay, ready?
Take 2 due to technical difficulties.
This show is brought to you by... Ayun na.
Oh, Cecilia, I'm down on my knees.
Yan.
I'm begging you, please, to come home.
Guys, clap!
Wala na.
Same old talk, why are you following me?
It's like I'm missing you.
Time is waiting on my face for It's like everywhere I go, everywhere I know, who will sing to me? Hey, Cecilia, you're breaking my heart, you're shaking my confidence, lady. Oh, Cecilia, I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you, please, to come home. Had a girl in my dreams and now she's all gone. Thought that we could last forever, I was all wrong. Said I took no sleep and now I'm flat broke. She don't even wanna see my face anymore. She don't wanna say where she gone away. Now she's on replay in my brain. I do what it takes in the face. We can turn the beat up into an outrage. Radio up and it's just my luck. Way, turn my TV on, same old song. Why are you following me? Like I'm missing you inside and it's written on my face. Way, like everywhere I go, the world singing to me. Hey, Cecilia, you're breaking my heart, you're shaking my confidence, lady. Oh, Cecilia, I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you please to come home. But I still feel her. There'll never be another one like my Cecilia. Oh, where could she be? Does she still care about me? When will she finally come back to me? Cecilia, you're breaking my heart, you're shaking my confidence daily. Oh, Cecilia, I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you please to come home.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Gimme 5 and Kenzo.
Saya dito sa Chilo.
Thank you po.
Oo. May mga ipa-plug ba kayong shows, album?
Abangan niyo po si Ate Alora sa Doble Cara.
Doble Cara.
Maraming salamat.
Ayun,
And we have here Alexa. May pa-plug ka ba?
Yes, syempre ang love you. Oh, love you. Love you every Sunday after Kapamilya Blockbuster.
Yan, 5 p.m. po yan. O, Ate Camille, nag-plug kami.
Ayun,
Ayan, Gimme 5, ano?
Ayun yung album namin, Gimme 5, self-entitled album. Out pa rin po yan sa Record Bars.
Taas na energy mo, pare.
Yun. Tapos, pangako sa'yo gabi-gabi and showing pa rin po ang The Love Affair. Thank you.
Kayo.
Ayun, abangan niyo po ang probinsyano.
Wow!
Doon po ako, partner ko po si Madi. Joke lang. Kasama ko po si Brace doon. Tapos ako po yung young Coco. And yan, sana po, abangan niyo po. And kasama ko po doon, marami pong iba.
Ayan.
Asap, every Sunday.
Ayan.
Ano.
Okay, abangan po natin. And guys, maraming salamat po sa nanood ng pilot week ng Doble Cara.
Yes.
Ang ganda po ng reading, sobrang, lalabas po ako sa finale.
Nandun kami. Tsaka po yung
Ayan, thank you so much po every Day po yan, after showtime na po. Simula po bukas.
Tsaka po,
Ayan.
Eksena Magazine.
Yes,
bilhin
Sofia.
na po kayo.
Oh, ayun po,
Eksena
Eksena
Magazine.
Magazine. no?
Jules.
Ano?
Shows.
Ayun, oo, mga kapamilya, malapit na po ang And I Love You. So, ang dami po naming surprises at madami kayong makikilala. Siyempre, ang ASAP London, nandyan po kami. We're performing on September 6. Sana magkita-kita tayo dyan.
Kenzo.
Kenzo, plug anything, guestings, PBB, keep supporting Big Four.
As of now, wala pa naman. I have mall shows next month
Ooh.
in Cebu, Naga, and Batangas. So I'm looking forward to
Eh, may surprises ka ba soon? Yes, meron yan.
Meron.
Julia. Okay, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa studio audience natin. Yes, ang dami na namin suki dito. Woo!
Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you din po sa mga stars of the day
Thank
natin.
you. Sarah
Ang mga
Lagagi,
guest- yes.
Archie Munoz, PB7317, Big Four, Bailey Alona, Franco Jimboy, and also the
Labati,
Twitter
Archie.
party guests, Mateo Godicelli and Shaina Magdayo.
Yes, syempre, give me 5.
Give me 5.
And Alexa and Robbie
Thank you for
Domingo. Robbie, may
Yan.
pa-plug ka ba?
Oy, mamaya pala, The Voice Kids, the final showdown. Just text voice space either Sasa, Ella, Reynan, or Esa.
Top 4 na, no?
Oo.
Ang bilis. Ay! At dahil
Oh
dyan,
my
God. Bayad.
magpapatok na po. Maraming
bayad, oh.
salamat
Thank
po
you.
sa panonood sa Coolest
guys.
Sambayan Online.
Thank you so
Ito
much.
la, ito la. Ito ang ASAP
Kita ko mukha mo.